Wednesday, live from the Phil Oil Center in San Juan City. Velasco wins the tip, bola na kay Gabat. Risho swings it to Velasco. Velasco wild on the first shot, Panapanaan gets the rebound.
Ton, inaabangan ko din talaga rito yung laban nila sa rebounding eh. Yung si Delarama and si Panapanaan eh. Last time nakakuha ng 23 rebounds ito si Delarama ng San Sebastian Recoletos.
Yeah, that was a career high in that double overtime win against LPU, yung 23 rebounds na yun. Wow. Risho on the attack. Risho with a finish.
Yun, medyo unusual yun. Yung ang depensa na ng JRU is nakasona na, nadadrivean pa sila. It's a no-no eh. If you're putting up a zone defense, dapat yan, hindi ka na nako-close in the gap.
Samantala, Ian Quahao drains his first basket of the game. Panapanaan gets the ball. Benitez. Duque. Duque against Quahao. For to shoot. And that's traveling. Yes. Now, I mentioned earlier that Christine San Agustin will tell us who's available and who's not. Christine, go right ahead.
That's right, Anton. Before we get into that, it is through growth mindset and by playing through adversities. Yan ang sinagot sa akin ni Coach Rob Rabagala when I asked him how they plan to welcome today's game after that devastating loss against Mapua. Sabi niya pa, the past games really revealed how outbalanced they are compared to the other leagues. But this awareness can also help them go far because it's through this they can realize that now more than ever, everyone is really the next man up. And in other news, what you're talking about, three of their players, that's Are, Felebrico, and Lumanag, will not be playing today. And Gabat, who actually suited up last minute, decided to play for the team today despite feeling under the weather. So let's see how they plan to show this growth mindset, Anton and Coach Jerry. But for now, back to you guys.
So those are big names na hindi maglalaro para sa San Sebastian. Team captain TJ Felebrico will not see action. And Gabat, well, respect to him for trying to gut it out despite not feeling well, Coach.
Correct, Ton. Halos mga 15 to 18 points din ang nawawala sa San Sebastian Recoletos. Pagwala yung Gabat, Are, yan, malaking Felebrico, pagka ganyang wala sila. But syempre, with the rookies, kailangan magka-double effort sa side ng San Sebastian Recoletos.
Delarama.
And Ton, surprisingly, nakatao man-to-man defense ngayon ng JRU, Heavy Bombers.
Nag-adjust agad. Duque. Panapanaan. Panapanaan with 5 to shoot. Salvador. Floater is too strong for Sean.
Yan ngayon, medyo high percentage defense lang ang JRU ngayon. Hindi sila masyado nagpo-full court.
Quahao. Risho. Gabat has to shoot. Gabat puts it up from way out. Polo Gabat. Just in time. A 9-0 start for the San Sebastian Golden Stags. What a start for Coach Rob Labagala's San Sebastian Golden Stags. And you see the defense leading to offense. Ganda ng pasahan, Coach.
Yes, oo. Nakita, ganda ng recognition tsaka yung mga drop pass sa mga big guys. Talagang they're really available dyan sa mga drop passes na yan. Mga style ni Coach Labagala yan eh. Back in the day, naglalaro siya eh.
At ito naman yung pinakahuling tira. As of the moment, partida, not feeling well pa yan, Coach.
Oo. Presence of mind. At least alam niya yung time and score. Di ba?
Under the weather, but it's whatever. Gabat with a wild shot, but he'll take it.
Pinasok na ni Coach Nani si Garubil. Ito na yung pinaka-pandiin ni Coach. Yung solid 5 niya.
Salvador. Lorenaria. Lorenaria, baseline spin. Wow, picks up the loose ball.
Sayang yung tira na yon. Konting back shot yun. Kung nagamit niya yung board, baka chances are, baka pumasok.
De La Rama. Garupin is in for JRU. Oh, Aaron Bass. And this has got to be the most lackadaisical start for JRU this season.
Yes, parang naubos yung gigil nila eh. Last time na naglaro sila, ngayon medyo parang kulang sa energy.
Gabat. Risho. Cross-court pass. Quahao. Gabat from the free throw line. And Lorenaria comes up with a board.
Talagang he's a rebounding guard si Lauren Naria. Yan ang masarap eh. Big man ka, meron kang katulong sa rebounding eh. Another elevator place yun.
Lorenaria able to put it up and in under duress. And JRU finally gets on the board.
Ginamit niya yung banda. Pumasok this time.
Mahirap na tira, Coach.
Yes, medyo dalawang tao yun eh. Pero knowing his size, knowing his yung body niya, talagang alam mo, inside player. But, itong katulad nito, medyo nagkakaroon ng breakdown ng San Sebastian Recoletos now. Nagkakaproblema sila sa weak side rotation, especially yung sa ball, on the ball, okay pressure, pero yung weak side.
Three-point play completed by Alan Lorenaria Jr. De La Rama. De La Rama on the fadeaway.
Another rebound na naman, Lorenaria.
Lorenaria. Garupin. Garupil loses control. Wow! Touchdown!
Ganda ng pagka-hard show ron, Ton. Coming from a ball screen top. Hinard show nila, nag-fumble yung guard. Good hustle para dito sa power forward ng San Sebastian Recoletos.
Lozano. Lorenaria. Panapanaan, handoff to Garupin. Garupil to Lorenaria. Lorenaria on the pull-up. Short. Ian Quahao and Christian Risho collaborating on that defensive effort.
You cannot turn your back especially pag nagtutuman game sa taas. Makita mo yung mga small guards there. The moment you turn your back, andyan yung steal.
So Quahao will take a breather. Panapanaan. Blocked. Scramble for the loose ball. May agaw na naman. Juniel Delarama picks it up.
Masyadong masikip doon para ipower nila Panapanaan yun. Tsaka Laurenaria.
Castor. Oh!
Kita ng mga referee yun. Yung mga konting ward off before the rebound.
3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Salvador to Lozano. Laurenaria. Salvador.
Grabe sa gang rebound, Ton. Itong San Sebastian Recoletos. Nakita mo, kahit sabihin mong, kasi kahit yung mga big guys sila, kumo-close out sa maliliit eh. Alam nila, titira talagang JRU. We leave them wide open.
Right now, JRU actually leading San Sebastian in the rebounding department, 8-4. Oh, libreng-libre. Christian Risho with the finish.
Rotation eh. Kulang yung rotation ng JRU doon sa give and go plays.
So 4 of the 7 players fielded in by Coach Rob have scored for San Sebastian. Laurenaria. Lozano. Lozano handoff to Salvador. Salvador. Delarama comes up with a rebound. Risho. Dangerous pass. And Coach Rob Labagala calls a timeout. San Sebastian is up by 10. A rough start for the JRU Heavy Bombers. It's only Alan Laurenaria Jr. on the board so far with the 3-point play. Masama ang gising, Coach.
Yes, medyo nagbo-ball watching yung JRU eh. They were just looking at kung sino yung may hawak ng bola. Nandun yung ball pressure pero yung weak side. Yung sa sag spot nila, malayo sila eh. Kaya ang dali-dali lumay up lang yung San Sebastian Recoletos eh.
Tignan natin kung magigising itong kumara ni Coach Nani coming off that timeout.
Medyo malalaki itong player ni Coach Rob Labagala. Talagang yung kahit yung mga wing niya ngayon, meron ka pang Delarama, nare-rebound, plus meron na namang mga malalaki, pinapasok. Talagang binibigyan ng playing time talaga ni Coach Rob, yung mga bata ngayon.
Oh, a foul away from the ball. Eagle eyes by our officials, Castor and Lozano.
Yun ang tendency, Ton, pagka medyo nakasababa ka defending, there's a tendency na isil ka nila down low.
Castor with a putback.
Height is might talaga eh. Pagka malaki na nga, hindi mo pa binacks out, talaga prone ka talaga. It's either ma-foul ka or easy basket.
Substitution here. Cruz and Quahao are back on the floor. And Coach Jerry, we are slowly seeing a shift in terms of the leadership for San Sebastian. Ian Quahao has become not only the primary point of attack, but also the primary ball handler and extension of the coach, Rob Labagala.
Yes, malaking bagay yun, Ton. You have to look for someone talagang who is leader by example. And the best guy is siyempre si Quahao. Because siya talaga yung hinahanap ng team. Tsaka siya talaga yung constant threat sa team nila.
Lozano. Top of the key three does not work. And Lorenaria hits the deck.
Makikita mo talaga, Ton, yung physicality down low. Talagang ngayon, yung ganyan malaking lamang. Talagang dapat talaga you have to locate kahit sino makita mo dyan na color, yellow, o kung nasa depensa ka man, talaga you have to block them out.
Lorenaria again with a chance to add to his point total. He has been the lone bright spot for JRU.
Medyo foul trouble lang siya last time eh. Last time against CSB, Benil Blazers, medyo na foul trouble lang siya eh. Pero ngayon, mukhang ganda ng start niya.
Delarama with an aggressive drive.
Ganda na sana ng depensa, ganda na ng lateral ng... Oo. Pinaw lang, binail out lang niya.
19-year-old Juniel Delarama, 6'2", coming out of the Letran Squires High School basketball program.
Tsaka athletic. He knows where kung saan pupunta yung bola. Lakas ang katawan.
Tsaka diba, kung 6'2" ka lang, coach,
Oo.
and you are able to grab 23 rebounds as a rookie, laking bagay.
Yes, talagang ano. Imagine, yung 23 rebounds set, ilang beses pa pumasok yun para just to get the rebounds. Kasi the more na you go in sa rebounding, the more na chances are makuha mo yung bola eh.
Another product from NCAA High School. Sean Salvador gets it to Peña Verde. Back to Salvador. Salvador has a timer running on his mind. Unaware, though, of the defender picking his pocket. Castor. Cruz for three. And Cruz misfires. A minute and 4 remaining here in the first.
Medyo bothersome itong full court pressure ng San Sebastian eh, para sa JRU Heavy Bombers. Yan, buti pinasok si Garubil, baka he can restore some order dito sa offense nila.
And it's also bothersome that they didn't get any points from the starters of JRU. Oh! Castor apologizing to the bench. Watch Castor and Peña Verde. Castor will get the rebound. And swinging of elbows.
Yes, oo.
Catching Peña Verde right under the neck.
Oh, pareha silang Pero alam mo talagang pinaka-safety na dyan, you just have to dribble it out para to avoid contact. Kasi syempre heavy traffic eh, punong-puno yung shaded area pagdating sa rebound eh.
Peñaverde. His incident with Castor getting reviewed right now to see if there will be an upgrade. So just a regular foul, coach.
Good call, good call. Medyo ano yan eh, instinct ng big man, when you get the ball, you have to secure. Tapos medyo, wag ka lang si swing, do not extend lang yung mga elbows mo.
Lozano from the corner. Oh, sumabit.
Oo.
San Sebastian players getting a little bit too aggressive.
Pushing foul on number 20, Marcos Limonal.
Landing spot.
3 free throws.
At ganun din minsan ang nangyayari, coach, kapag nakaka-establish na ng double-digit lead, nawawala yung disiplina.
Yes, oo, lahat. Medyo may nagsasuffer ng konti. Yung quality ng defense or yung quality ng offense.
So it's really also a mental game. Staying disciplined on the court, no matter what the situation, whether it's a tight game or you have a 10-point cushion.
Yes, sometimes it's the mechanics of the players. Pagka minsan mali yung mechanics, medyo nag-lunge ka, sumobra yung speed, sumobra yung effort, o minsan kulang.
Gabat. Gabat gets it across. Gabat spins. Gabat short stab. And it's JRU basketball. Here comes Peñaverde.
Bumabalik na to yung hustle ng Heavy Bombers dito sa situation na to.
That's a good stop. Cuajao, does he know the amount of time remaining? 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Gabat has to shoot. Kala ko makakaisa pa. But if you're Coach Rob Lavagala, you should be pleased with what San Sebastian has done. Features the Jose Rizal University Heavy Bombers and the San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags. Anton Rojas, Coach Jerry Codinera, and Christine San Agustin, your broadcast team on our first game here in game day number 11 in NCAA season 101.
Ton, libenday talaga yung si Coach Nani doon sa JRU Heavy Bombers doon sa single double play nila eh. Yung may mga screens, yung dalawang stack lumalabas. So from there, yun ang pinaka-base play nila. Tapos pwede sila mag-ball screens doon. Pwede sila mag-send ng cutters.
I'll correct myself. It's the, actually, yeah, it is the 11th game day here in season 101. Foul as Cuajao hit the deck.
Holding foul with number 18, Cuajao. That's his first personal line on the Golden Stags. Raul Gabat, Jorge Cuajao. Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Benitez. Peñaverde launches from the outside. And Gabat comes up with the board.
Grabe yung tulungan ng Recoletos, San Sebastian Recoletos dito sa rebounding. Talagang dalawa-dalawa, tatlo, kumukuha ng bola.
Gabat up and under. Peñaverde. Ball will stay with San Sebastian.
Yun, medyo sumisignal si Coach Laudo na extra pass from Gabat. Medyo hindi nga lang din niya siguro nakita.
Again, this is a San Sebastian team playing without their captain, TJ Felebrico, and Lumanag, who is also another one of their guards. The JRU unable to take advantage of their absence and may naipit sa screen.
Oo.
Hindi makadaan ang sikip.
Parang teammate niya rin ata nakatama. Ano yun? Accidental hit.
Friendly fire, nabangga sa sariling kakampi. So the referees will review this. But that happens, Coach.
Yes, oo. Maraming ganyan, yung mga accidental hit.
By a teammate.
Ayun,
Oo, mukhang siko ni Benitez, Coach.
Oh, yes.
Nakatalikod kasi si Benitez.
Oo. Ganun talaga pagka you're setting staggered, yung stack screens, talagang kailangan yan solid para ma-free up talaga yung mga shooter ng San Sebastian.
16-8. Salvador swings it to Garupin. Garupin missing on that triple try. Wow has the basketball.
Daming good looks ni Ton itong JRU Heavy Bombers. Di lang talaga pumapasok. Pero it's all good shots.
Another foul away from the ball. JRU tightening things up here on defense. Coach, wala pa nakakapuntos dito sa second quarter.
Oh yes, masyado nga tahimik eh. Talagang nagsesettle sila sa puro jump shots. Unlike yung kaninang first quarter, marami mga slip screen. Nalilibre yung San Sebastian Recoletos tsaka yung mga drive ni Laurenaria. Ang dami mga penetrations, naka-convert sila.
Wow. Dimaunahan is able to put it up.
Yeah.
But the shot doesn't drop.
Better percentage para sa big man.
Good patience by Dimaunahan.
Marcus Dimaunahan shooting 2 free throws. Zero Cavilla or Clarence Cruz.
Dimaunahan missing on the first free throw. Oh, he misses on both. Wala pa nakakapuntos dito sa second quarter.
Wala pa. Normally, nung kami yan, we go to our highest field goal percentage na player. Normally, gano'n.
Laurenaria. And Laurenaria again is able to draw a foul as we go to Christine San Agustin for this courtside update.
With Sean Argente missing today, Coach Nani Apondalan emphasized how crucial leadership is, something that Argente naturally brings to the table. According to him, that leadership is nowhere to be found, and he emphasized that it is in their hands to step up and fill that missing role. He also reminded the Heavy Bombers na hindi nila makukuha ang larong ito sa isang bagsakan lang, and so he was quick to remind the team na dahan-dahanin nila ang proseso pero huwag sasayangin ang tiwalang ibinibigay sa kanila ng paulit-ulit. All for now, Anton and Coach Jerry.
Sean Argente was ejected in their last game against Benil. Then there was a video put out on GMA Sports PH with Sean getting interviewed and not knowing why he was ejected.
Oo nga. Sayang yun. Kasi mga 3 baskets yun, puro sa kanya eh. Si Sean, no?
Coach, ganun ba talaga minsan yung mga player pag na-eject, hindi alam kung saan nanggaling yung technical foul?
Yes, oo. Kasi emotional eh. Lalo na especially if it's a big basket. Minsan nakikarried away ka ng, ng crowd.
So Sean is sitting this game out. Big loss for JRU as Sean is their top gunner. And that's the main reason why actually hirap makapuntos itong JRU. Duque. Oh, look at the defense of Quahao.
Matibay din yung si Quahao. Hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng didribble sa kanya ng mga
Number 8, Ian Quahao for breaking a foul.
It's in this game na nare-realize natin, Coach Jerry, yung value ni Sean Argente sa Kubunan.
yes, alam mo, as a senior, si Argente, talagang, ano na yan siya eh, siya talagang leader nitong team, parang nafe-feel nila yung absence niya eh. Especially scoring niya, meron din binibigay si Sean ng mga at least 10 points per ball game, mga ganyan.
Sean has started all 4 games for JRU, Coach.
Yes, so malaking bagay yon. And siguro, it's also time na rin para mag-step up yung mga players na pumapalit sa kanya.
Interestingly though, ang leading scorer ng JRU ay si Lozano at si Salvador, both averaging 12.3 points per contest. Sean averages 12 points per game.
Oo, yes. Oo, marami. Itong Lozano, Salvador, mabigat itong tandem na to. Si Sean Argente will always be there para sa game. And he will be a constant threat.
Number 1, William Velasco, that's his second personal team foul, number 4.
I think this is the right time para sa Heavy Bombers para mag ng lead. Para dumikit.
Lalo na, hirap din sa opensa ngayon itong San Sebastian. They have not scored yet here in the period. Lorenaria. Salvador. Baseline drive. Oh, read by De La Rama.
Predictable. Kitang-kita nila. Alam nila yung reverse pass.
Duque fires a 3. Good line for Duque.
Ayun na. Ito na yung JRU Heavy Bombers.
Lorenaria with a steal. Salvador. Quahao. Velasco. Risho. Risho.
Kita yon. Yung skip pass ni Risho sa corner guy. Kitang-kita ng JRU Heavy Bombers yon.
Quahao launches from the outside and Benitez comes up with the board. Lorenaria. Bumitin sa ere. And De La Rama comes up with the loose ball.
Sayang na tira ni Laurenaria yon.
Personal foul on number 8, Alba Lorenaria. That's his first personal. Time out, JRU Heavy Bombers.
JRU clawing back into it. They're down by just 4. Let's check in with our management committee representatives from San Sebastian College, Recoletos, Father Virgilio Paredes, OAR. Ready for the camera, Mr. Paul Supan of Jose Rizal University. At ayan naman po ang kampo ni Coach Nani Apondulan as they try to get back into this game. Mr. Frank Ducey is here. They've got a big game this afternoon against Letran. Tip-off scheduled at 2:30 p.m. De La Rama, 10 on the shot clock. De La Rama on the runner.
Ganda nun. Ni-reject niya yung two-man game. He went for the drive. Tinira niya ng floater. Perfect execution ni De La Rama.
Lorenaria. Duque. And the foul as the defender was trying to chase Salvador. Oh, what a shot by Junior De La Rama.
Dalawa-dalawa. Hindi man lang na nailang sa tira si De La Rama.
Sarmiento at the line here for JRU as we approach the halfway point of this second period. In and out sa
Sayang
pagkakataon na yun.
Free throws. Sayang.
Gabat. Risho. Gabat with 8 on the shot clock. Gabat swings it to the other side. Wild shot by Cabilia. Tinamaan dito si Christian.
Grabe ang mga contact underneath the basket.
Panoorin natin dito, Coach. It's Risho getting hit by an elbow from Sarmiento.
Oo. Jackpot.
Bomb reviews, foul at number 16, Vince Sarmiento. That's his first personal, team foul number 4.
So first personal foul on Sarmiento.
Gav Nemaseta coming in for the Golden Six. Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Capilla on the pull-up.
Sayang ang mga tira ni Cabilla.
Holding foul at number 94, Justin Lozano, penalty. That's his second personal. Sensation Ivan Panapanaan or Justin Lozano. Shooting 2 shots, Daniel Damarama.
Ton, to si Delarama medyo may hawig na laro kay Kalahat eh.
Ah,
Yan,
Romel Kalahat.
Oo, na parang do it all. He can play power forward, can play 2, wing, he can play off guard, pwede magdala ng bola.
Well, sign na siguro, coach, yung naka-23 rebounds siya
Oo.
na pwedeng mag-develop into a Romel Kalahat type of player.
Oo. Undersized big man.
Right now, Delarama with 3 points, 5 rebounds, an assist, and a steal. Duque on the pull-up. Duque, shot is short. Putback is good.
Good move galing kay Panapanaan. Yan ang
Down the basket.
ngayon lang natin nakita kay Panapanaan eh. Sa CSP talagang pasok na pasok sa rebound.
That's his second personal. And a one for Ivan Panapanaan.
In and out on that free throw attempt.
Free throws will be, itong babalikan nila dito yung free throws, yung mga missed free throws ng bawat teams pagdating sa dulo.
Risho for 3. Risho drains it. Christian Risho with 7 points to lead all scorers in this game.
Gary Duque.
And the response on the other end by Duque. Risho, top of the key 3. Badly misfiring on that one.
Wide open si Risho doon. Pero parang they were talking na parang pinaro-roll ata ni Gabat eh. Si Risho eh.
Around Gaba. Time out. Sebastian Golden Stakes.
And there you see the response by Duque. Getting a lot of playing time today. But his team, JRU, is still down by 5. We're only here on a Wednesday, but the ladies are dressed really nice. As evidenced here by our cutie cam. And again, a shout out to the JRU community. Nakasabay ko rin yung bus nila kanina. A lot of students coming down para suportahan itong mga student athletes nila, coach.
Full support. Lalo na pagka ang team nila lumalaban.
5 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot.
Oh, Nepasena running over Sean Salvador.
Number 20, Miguel Nepasena. That's his first personal.
that's a solid roadblock by the big man.
Medyo gumalaw talaga. Delay lang. Normally, yung set screens. Okay lang yung konting delay. Huwag mo nakahabulin.
Panapanaan. Salvador pops out. Salvador drains the three.
Yan ang matagal ko nang hinahanap. Salvador, yung shooting. Rhythm din siya eh. Kanina medyo pasa niya, medyo late na ko minsan eh, pag dumating sa kanya yung bola eh.
Coach, this was the first made three of Sean Salvador after 3 misses. And you love the celebration of the JRU students.
Tsaka yung jump shot niya, perfect form eh, no?
Mukhang natapilok itong si
Oo.
Cabilla, Coach.
Oo. Kanina rin.
And the
Cannot get
first
this
assist
game
is
going
for
kanina.
Jiro
Dalawang
Gaviria.
tira, wala rin pumasok.
Clarence Grace or Jiro Gaviria.
Panoorin natin dito. Ayun! Oh! Stepping on his own teammate.
Yan, naka 1-2-2 na ng JRU. Heavy Bombers. Yun.
Oh,
Good
what a
defense.
block. What a block by Benitez. Duque from way out. And JRU takes the lead.
Yun ang kumpiyansa to. Nakita ni palabas si Salvador eh. Pero sabi ni Duque, mainit din ako. Sakto lang yung tira niya.
Panapanaan with a steal.
We got 2 minutes.
And Cruz comes up with the rebound.
Sayang yun.
Risho. Cuajao. Wala. Delarama. Fade away by Junior. And Junior drains it.
Who would expect to na ititira ni Dalarama yun? I thought he was just looking for a cutter eh. Sabay biglang quick turnaround, no?
You know, we are impressed by the skills of these young men. Salvador, quick trigger. Another one for Sean Salvador.
Tumama na eh. Salvador talagang streaky. Streaky na bata.
Back to back.
Yes, mahaba ang streak nito. Baka isa pa to, pwede pa to.
Aba,
1 to 2 more shots.
nagtatawag ng screen itong si Junior. Junior on the pull-up. And Benitez comes up with the board. Under a minute to play here in the first half. Salvador. 8 on the shot clock. Salvador throws it up. And Cuajao comes up with the board. .16. That's the time remaining here in the first half. Cuajao on the attack. Oh, dribbles off the leg of a JRU player. Heavy Bombers still have time. Salvador at the buzzer. Too strong for Sean Salvador.
At the end of the second quarter, it's the JRU Heavy Bombers up by 2, 25.
And finally, the offense has picked up for both teams. The JRU Heavy Bombers coming alive here in the second period, dropping 17 points as they lead the San Sebastian Golden Stags 25-23.
Vibe ng NCAA.
And we are loving the vibes as this is collegiate basketball at its best. Big day for the NCAA, as this is the first time that teams from different groups will be colliding. Mamaya, 2:30 p.m., Perpetual versus Letran in what should be a slam-bang affair. Quahao.
Shot clock at 12 seconds.
Medyo tahimik si Quahao dito sa ilang quarters na. Medyo hindi pa siya nagpapakilala.
Quahao overshoots that one. Hinahanap pa rin ang kanyang unang 3 puntos.
Holding foul number 94, Justin Lozano. That's his third personal one on the Heavy Bombers.
That's going to be 2 free throws for Christian Risho, as he was found by Quahao on the cut.
Smart move coming from Risho. Imagine, alam niya na to. Nakita niya na nandun na yung mga kamay. Dinikit niya na lang. Sigurado, free throw na yan.
Shooting 2 free throws, Christian Risho.
Duque. Lozano. Lozano to Duque. Hand off to Salvador. And a interception by Junior De La Rama. And Castor is able to get that shot to trickle in.
Power talaga.
That's good.
Lakas talaga yung Castor.
You
really have to locate this guy.
First personal foul number 3. Substitution, Viento for Justin Lozano. Bonus free throw for Neil Castor.
Castor for the bonus. All right, let's try to find out what the teams talked about at the dugout. Pakinggan natin si Christine San Agustin.
Anton and Coach Jerry, the San Sebastian dugout was intense during the halftime huddle as Coach Rob Labagal expressed his frustration to the team by saying, bakit kayo biglang tumigil sa paggawa ng tama at hindi ninyo dapat nililihis kung ano ang sinasabi ng coaches, especially if that is what made you strong in the first place. At the end of the huddle, Coach Rob reminded the team na hindi naman mahalaga kung dumating sa punto na tagda-2 points lang ang bawat players nila. Ang mahalaga, everyone collectively struggled to get this much needed win. All for now, Anton and Coach Jerry.
Nakakapagtaka nga naman, di ba? After that 16-point first quarter, you're limited to just 7 points in the second period. So it's clear why Coach Rob had that kind of a message para sa kanyang mga student athletes.
Yeah, agree ako dyan. Siyempre, baka naman yung second group niya hindi ready. Sometimes kasi second group, baka naman instead of, preserving the lead or baka siguro lakihan mo, dalawa yun eh. Hindi pwedeng bumaba dapat ang energy ng yung coming off the bench. You have to be ready. You have to read the flow ng game para masustain yung lamang nyo.
Salvador floats it up and in.
Very creative si Salvador for a rookie. Talagang alam niya, magmamature pa itong bata na to eh. Marunong na humanap ng tira.
De La Rama receives the cross-court pass. Quahao. Risho, double team. Risho. Oh,
Masyadong matagal niya pinasa yung bola.
humihingi pa ng foul. Salvador for 3. Another one.
Mainit. Very streaky itong bata na to.
3 out of 9 from beyond the arc for the young man, Sean Salvador.
Tignan mo yung release, Ton. Ang ganda. Oo, jump shooter.
So, ito yung unang floater. At ito naman, yung 3 puntos ni Sean Salvador ready to shoot. Delarama called.
Tsaka yung dating ng bola ton, maganda na. Timing.
And Delarama actually running out of space there. Salvador. Salvador on the move. Sean Salvador is heating up.
Medyo nandito sa koponan ng San Sebastian Recoletos, nagkaka-breakdown. Medyo late yung recovery nila eh. Lalo-lalo na papunta kay Salvador, should be early.
The former Mapua Red Robin is making his presence felt. Quahao on the fadeaway. Yan ang kailangan. Quahao has to match what Salvador is doing.
Oo.
It's gonna be a shootout between the young guns. Sarmiento. Delarama. Gabat. And Gabat is able to draw a foul. Sean Salvador had a 15-point game. That was his best game so far in his young NCAA career, as we see this turnaround fadeaway by Ian Quahao.
Malaking factor ang free throws dito sa parehong koponan. Ito ang magdi-decide ng game nito later, yung after ng game, yung babalikan nila. I'm sure itong free throws nila.
I agree with that, Coach Jerry. Medyo masama ang free throw shooting ng magkaparehong koponan. 50% for JRU. And for San Sebastian, right now it's at 36.4%. Mababa, Coach.
Oh, masyado mababa.
Garupin. Peñaverde. 5 on the shot clock. Peñaverde bounce pass to Sarmiento. Oh no!
Ganda ng pasa ni Sarmiento doon.
Coach Rob Labagala wants to talk things over. His team is down by 4. I love the outfits. The denim jacket, the gold necklace, the earrings. Yan yung mga formahan, Coach. You know?
Cute.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pagkaganyan ng games.
Coach, during your time ba, minsan na-distract ka rin dahil sa mga the way the people are dressing in the crowd during your heyday?
Hindi, maraming sideshow talaga eh. Oo, pero wala. Back in the game kagad. Dapat balik ka kagad sa game.
Kasi sa panahon ngayon, di ba, Coach, lalo na sa NBA, there are floor seats.
Oo.
So nakakausap ng mga fans yung
Oo.
players.
Yes, oo. Pero alam mo naman ng mga coaches, di ba? Pati mga ganyan. Maingat sila dyan eh sa mga distractions.
Lozano with the rebound. Garupin. Peñaverde. Peñaverde on the pull-up. Peñaverde.
Over the back. Lalo na pag you're trying to get the rebound, medyo out of position ka na, kadalasan talaga tinatawagan yon. Dapat talaga you have to go around the guy getting the rebound para hindi ka tawagan ng foul.
Coach, pagdating sa rebounding, dikit tayo San Sebastian with 29, GRU with 26.
Yes, parehong teams na to, pero parehong malalakas na mga rebounder. From Castor, Panapanaan, Delarama, lahat sila pasok ng pasok sa rebounding, pati si Lozano.
Delarama in and out on that shot.
Smart move. May stepping na si Panapanaan
Lozano. Lozano over Gomez de Leaño. And Peñaverde comes up with a board. Lozano on the pull-up. And Delarama comes up with the rebound. Gabat. Castor. Gomez de Leaño for three. Would have been his first NCAA basket.
Gandang hustle ni Gabat doon,
Gabat. Peñaverde. Lozano. Garupin. Short.
Ayaw magtuloy-tuloy ang shooting ng outside shooting ng Heavy Bombers.
Quajao. Delarama. Delarama up and under. Benitez with a power rebound. Lozano. 8 on the shot clock. Lozano with the basket plus the foul.
Ganda ng lulusot. Middle attack. He's so quick, agile. Talagang hindi na naka-react doon yung San Sebastian Studs.
And Coach, JRU has quietly established a 38-31 lead. Free throw coming right up. Sarap siguro ng feeling, no? Na balik kolehiyo, and then instead of going to class, nanood ka na lang ng basketball game. May extra points pa galing kay Prof.
Oo. Masarap yan. Huwag ka lang makita ng bad parent mo na nanonood ka ng basketball.
May excuse naman usually yan, Coach, na pag nanood, may plus points from the prof.
Yun ang masarap.
Yeah, mga naka-ID naman eh. So they're here on official business. Excused absences, Coach.
Yes, okay naman yan. Ano yan, big clearance.
Two minutes and 59 seconds remaining here in the third. Lozano with a bonus free throw.
Magzo-zone press na naman si Coach dito. Coach Nani Epondolan. Mukhang lalayo na siya rito. Hindi. Contain lang. Ayan. Half-court defense lang siya.
Biggest lead of the game for JRU. Wow. Throws it out. Castor. Garupil. Garupil on the sudden attack. Steven Garupil.
Ganda ron. Yun lang, medyo nagkakaproblema yung San Sebastian Stag sa on-the-ball defense nila. Medyo masyadong madali.
Steven Garupil has always been a confident and fearless player. Even when he was with Letran, naalala ko yung unang San Beda Letran game niya. Ano eh, nakalabas pa yung dila eh. Parang ngayon, no, lumabas ulit yung dila.
Isang dribble, no? Blow by agad. Too easy. Masyadong madali yun para sa, lalo na especially guard ka. Especially if you're guarding yung perimeter. Dapat medyo alam mong penetrator, medyo back down ka ng konti.
Yeah, he is more of a penetrating type of guard rather than an outside shooter. Delarama. Scramble for the loose ball. Delarama. And Cruz missing on the putback. Grabe yung talunan para sa bola, Coach.
Yes, ayaw ibigay ni ano. Castillo.
Oh, wild pass.
Medyo itong San Sebastian Stag, they're starting to trap. All corners, they trap.
Peñaverde. Lozano. Can he shoot? Yes, he can.
Ang tindi ng 3 points niya na yun.
Yes, he can.
May drive, may isolation, may post.
Castillo with the interception. Lozano, that was Lozano's 10th made triple of the season. 1 for 2 today. And na naman siya, Lozano. And Lozano shooting more, Coach, because of the zone defense of San Sebastian.
Talagang may green light yan para kay Coach Nani. Yan ang mga tipo ni Coach Nani na player eh.
Wala yung dalawang Sean. So, that light bulb in the head of Lozano just lit up.
Tsaka kahit wala si Salvador Ton, Pero yung scoring cudgels, siyang ano, pwede mong puntahan talaga.
De La Rama to Richo. Richo. Peñaverde comes up with a steal. Peñaverde fouled by Christian.
Masyadong tight yung handoff doon.
Sean Salvador coming in for Lozano. Coach Nani pleased with the contributions of Lozano as of late. Di maunahan, nagbabalik sa ating laro. Salvador and Lozano, coach, have combined for 25 points for JRU.
Yes. Talagang ano lang, medyo late lang talaga sila tumama pero ayan na. Frame out pero diretso.
Sean Salvador has taken 10 triples. 10 3-point attempts. He's made 3. But he's got the green light. Gabat. Polo Gabat. Di maunahan. Nepasena for 3. And that concludes the third period. The JRU Heavy Bombers with their biggest lead of the game. 44-32 as we head to the fourth. He has 11 points, but 8 of those 11 points were scored in the third period, Coach.
Ton, solid yung performance na yun. Mahirap hanapin sa isang player yung ganun. Especially, wala si Salvador beside him. Pero now, I think, pagsasabay na ni Coach ito pagdating sa fourth quarter ni Coach Nani. And to cut the bleeding, kailangan they have to find a way para istapin yung mga shooters ni Coach Nani Ipondolan.
Garupil sumubok mula sa labas. Short. De La Rama. Nepasena. De La Rama. And the foul away from the ball. Nagbabanggaan si Peñaverde at di maunahan.
Medyo pinofront si di maunahan doon eh. Hindi lang makita yung, hindi lang makapasa yun.
De La Rama swings it. Di maunahan. Wow! What a move by Di maunahan. Lead is cut down to 10. Let's hear from Christine San Agustin.
It is not the time or the place to doubt what you can do dahil kung naniniwala ang lahat ng coaches nyo na kaya nyong maipanalo ang larong ito, then there's no reason to give this game away just like that. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Nani sa JRU Heavy Bombers as he also reminded them of how crucial it is to remain agile and fast so they can execute their play well coming into the fourth quarter. Pinaalala ni Coach na kaya sila lumamang ay dahil dumipensa sila. Kaya naman pagdating ng fourth quarter, ang sabi niya lahat ng galaw ay magsisimula rin dito. Yan muna mula sa courtside, Anton and Coach Jerry.
Coach Nani Ipondolan, a former NCAA MVP back in season 77. He knows what it takes to win. At syempre ayaw niyang masayang yung 12-point lead na na-establish ng kanyang kupunan.
Yes, correct. I'm sure. Ito na, very crucial na itong fourth quarter. I'm sure that he will do everything para to put premium on defense kasi yung offense nila nandun na eh. Tumama na yung mga scorers na Duque, Salvador, Lozano, Panapanaan. So, depensa na lang. Yun na lang ang siguro ang focus of attention niya.
Coach, you talked about distractions. Look at the JRU students. Pumwesto sa likod ng ring para ma-distract.
Oo.
Itong si Di maunahan.
Mahirap din siyempre kay Coach Rob Labagala yung scorer niya medyo talagang nafe-feel mo ngayon pagkawala nung paeng are, di ba? Na who is scoring around siguro double digit din yan.
Salvador lets it fly. Air ball. Di maunahan. Di maunahan will head back to the free throw line. Let's see kung babalik yung mga students sa likod ng ring.
Second foul at number 27, Ayman Panapanaan. That's his fourth personal, team foul number 3. Shooting 2, Marcus Timonahan.
And there's the JRU Pep squad trying to distract Di Maunahan. Di Maunahan unfazed.
Parehong na-shoot ni Di Maunahan. Ang laking bagay dito. So, 6 points. They're down by 6. Malaking mahabang oras pa yan. 8 minutes. Dami pang possessions yan. You just have to make stops. One basket at a time.
Tumaas na yung free throw percentage ng San Sebastian. It's up to 52.6% now.
Yes.
It was around 30% earlier. Salvador. Salvador for 3. Another one.
Poise na poise yung itsura ni Salvador. Relax lang. Relax lang na pagka-scorer
A career high for Sean Salvador. 17 points. And Salvador comes up with a rebound. Salvador. No good.
Medyo nanggigil si Salvador doon.
Gabat. Pinaurong yung depensa. Supalpal si De La Rama. Duque. Panapanaan. Lorenaria. Sarmiento. Sarmiento hand off to Duque. Duque from way out. Let's see if San Sebastian can find their offense. Ian Guajao is set to check back in. Nepasena. Di Maunahan. Cruz puts it up. And Cruz draws a foul.
Good read. Maganda yun. Alam niya na may foul. Tinira niya.
Second foul at number 5, Yuri Duque. That's his second personal, team foul number 4.
This was for the career high. Sean Salvador, 17 big points for the rookie.
Warning now, but it went to the JRU Heavy Bombers standing for the line. Or turn to set the take on.
Salvador is a name that we will be mentioning all throughout the season, as he's expected to be one of the key cogs of Coach Nani Apondulan moving forward.
Piece of a puzzle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nasa transition year na tayo ng NCAA. Coach, ang dami sa mga players natin who are stars or rising stars are like 19-year-olds and 20-year-olds.
Yes, papata na ng papata ang mga gumagaling. Before kasi, there's this notion na parang pag mas may edad ka ng konti, matured ka ng konti, you play better, you shoot better, parang yung decision making mo mas better. Pero ito, baliktad Bata pa lang, kung score 20, 20 plus points. Tapos, hindi sila nahihiya, hindi sila nag-hesitate tumira ng mga crucial shots. With the likes of, ayan, yung mga players ng CSB Benil Blazers. Ang dami mga bata din doon. Very, very promising.
Panaparaan.
John T. Miller, no?
Yep, of San Beda.
Oo.
Yesterday, 14 points, 9 rebounds. John T is just 22 years old, coach.
Yeah.
Gabat. Duque. And that's going to be a foul on Gabat.
Ganda ng pagka-back-tip ni Panapanaan doon, no?
Jensen Lozano for Alan Lodinania.
And nanggigil na masyado si Polo.
Oo, dapat.
Lucio for Marcus Monan.
Salvador. Salvador changed his mind. Panapanaan. What a find.
Galing, ano? Patira na talaga si Salvador. Napitawan niya yung bola, buti na ipasa niya eh.
Number 3
What a cut by Ivan Panapanaan.
for Ivan Panapanaan.
This guy never quits, Ton. Itong Panapanaan. In terms of rebounding, scoring, he's always there sa team ng Heavy Bombers. Mahasel na bata.
Risho. Wow. Missing.
Siya na naman.
Lozano. Sarmiento. Salvador. We have crossed the halfway point of the period. Salvador from way out. Oh my Lord.
Masyado ng malaki ang ring nito. Para kay Sean Salvador.
His 5th triple of the game. The 19-year-old is balling out. I don't know how many teenagers scored 20 in the NCAA, but Sean Salvador can add his name to that list. Marami pang bala, coach.
Marami. Hindi mauubusan yan.
His outside shooting in the second half has been ridiculous. Yes. Talk your ish. Sean Salvador.
Time at San Sebastian Golden Stars.
Timeout, San Sebastian. There is a new long-range bomber wearing the blue and the gold, and his name is Sean Salvador. Going on a scoring rampage today from the inside, from the outside. He has been unconscious. It is the Sean Salvador highlight reel. And all I can say is, sheesh!
Para tayong meron shooting clinic.
Look at those numbers. Stats all across the board. 14-point lead for JRU. Quahao. Floater. No. Dapat, coach, ang magmamatch sa opensa ni Sean, itong si Ian eh.
Yeah.
But, you know, Ian has had a quiet afternoon, coach. Just 6 points.
Yes, hindi sila masyado nagsasabay sa court eh.
Oh, what a catch. What a catch and what a recovery by Christian Risho. Yun nga lang, sumabit.
Yes, nagkaroon ng miscommunication doon, especially yung screen sa underneath the basket, medyo naiwan doon, no? Kay Risho. They don't talk on defense.
Shooting 2, Vincent Nieto.
So again, if you just tuned in, a lot of main players from both sides unavailable today. No Sean Argente, serving a 1-game suspension. TJ Felebrico out under the weather. Lumanag also out under the weather. Paengare for reasons still to be revealed. But as you mentioned, Coach, pag may nawalang mga players, that presents opportunities for the younger guys.
Yes. A new superstar in the making din. Ano na, superstar na. Ilang ano na yan, ilang games na yan. And so he's always there for his team.
Oh, Gabat. Naagawan ng rookie. Salvador. And Salvador in and out dribble. Sean Salvador. Woo!
Another look away dribble. Akala ko i-freeze lang niya eh.
Napeke yung bantay, Coach.
Oo.
You have to stay on your toes with this kid. De La Rama. Castor. And Castor, 6-3.
Finally, para sa koponan ng Stags, may tumama din.
Kaya pala ang tapak ng Salvador, Coach, kasi yung isang pangalan niya, Chauncey.
Oo.
Parang Chauncey Billups.
Another, ano din yan, legend player from Detroit.
Kaya number 1 din si Sean Salvador, just like Billups.
Time out, JRU Heavy Bomber.
Coach Nani Apandulan calls a timeout. We still have 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining here in the fourth. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wait a minute, Coach. He's so good, the referees didn't see that.
Masyadong ano yun eh. Quick.
Well, you can't perfect it.
Mga Jordan Poole ng mga moves eh, no?
So Salvador checks out, Garupil and Lorenaria in. San Sebastian now switching up their defense.
Last 2 minutes.
Garupil. Lorenaria. And JRU, this second half and the second quarter has just gone their way, Coach.
Yes, wala na. Medyo, medyo bumigay na rito yung team ng San Sebastian. Medyo yung pressure nawala na. When bumalik sila they're playing a 1-2-2 zone now. Medyo, di na lang sila, they're trying to slow down yung JRU dito sa offense nila.
Garupil, even if he missed that shot, he took a lot of time off of the clock, Coach.
Yes, that's a good move. You have to manage the time. Sayang din eh. Kailangan you have to use the clock properly.
I like what Coach Nani Abundulan did here. Linabas niya si Sean and the other guard, brought in Garupil and Lorenaria, who are guards that are better in terms of attacking the basket and holding the ball.
Yes, kailangan may manage yung time eh. Lalo-lalo na. Yung San Sebastian, hindi basta-basta nag-give up yan. Pero at this stage, medyo parang malabo na.
Gambling violation.
I'm sure maraming titignan dito si Coach Rob Labagala in terms of his mga rotation.
De La Rama. De Pacena with a jumper. What a win this is going to be for JRU. Para silang bomba na inantay muna yung timer maubos bago sumabog.
At the end of the ball game, the final score, the San Sebastian Golden Sands 46.
At eto na nga, it is official. The JRU Heavy Bombers win against their Group A opponent, San Sebastian, behind the 22 points of Sean Chauncey Salvador. He had a game. We will listen to the alma mater hymns and have some post-game interviews. Don't go away.
Sa amin isip
JRU wins in our first crossover matchup as they defeat San Sebastian 59-46 in possibly their only meeting here in NCAA Season 101. We'll take a break and we'll be back on Heart of Asia after a few reminders.